Those of you that have been watching my channel for a while know that I have always been a lone wolf. But as I have struggled with my mental health, my desire to ride with others has only grown. So last year I decided to ride out to Wheatley Provincial Park with my buddy Ryan, but unfortunately things went really wrong.
Park in Windsor, Ontario. I'm heading out to Wheatley Provincial Park, a ride I did to start my season off this year. I'm heading out with buddy Ron back here, and
The ride was going along great. Much like any other ride, it was really great to get out with another buddy and get out on the trail. I was feeling pretty good. I had eaten. I probably didn't drink enough as usual, and I really think that was part of the problem. Like I said, all the tests were done. Nothing was proven, so I'm not really sure what happened. But this is just to give you a little reference of what happened. Here's a clip from the video where the ride went wrong.
Alright guys, I just stopped off on the side of the trail. Ron ran ahead a bit. I'm a little worried. I'm not feeling very good. I'm having like some cold sweats and my legs are shaking and I'm getting a little dizzy. I went to the doctors the other day because I haven't been feeling great, so a little concerned right now, so I'm not gonna lie. I'll keep you posted. We're gonna see what's happening here. Feeling really strange right now though, so let's see what happens.
So this is the redemption tour with my friend Bob.
Even though it was one of those kind of beach cruisers. Yeah, I love beach cruisers. All right, I just came back to grab the camera. We're almost at the Herb Gray. Bob and I are having a good time so far. Had a good breakfast at A&W, and yeah, like I said, we'll talk more with Bob at camp. Get to know him a bit more. We're also gonna do the Niagara tour, so I want to save a little mystery, right? Anyways, let's get at it. When you went across Canada, you did that fly us up, right? Yep. That's our pro. Alright, here we go. There's tons of little fish in this pond here. Yeah, there's a couple of them around. Bunch of little bass and stuff in here. I know. Down in Hilton Head, South Carolina, and all these ponds are just because it's so low lying. Yeah. Just full of alligators. And oh yeah. You guys can see. Clear. Yeah, could be. Alright. I just have an off-road motorbike. And yeah, I spend all day. Yeah. Hello. Morning. love the confused look on people's faces sometimes when they look at the bikes fully loaded. Oh, that I got out of it. Like,
Soft ice cream.
I can't do ice cream when I'm riding, unfortunately.
Yeah.
We can go anywhere here. I don't think we need to, because we're gonna go right after. All right, so Bob and I just stopped off in Harrow at Tim Hortons. It's about to get loud. There's a motorcycle pulling in. We're gonna jump on the trail. Next town should be Kingsville. Hi. We have made it to Kingsville. We're just about to shoot through Kingsville and head our way to Leamington. And then we're gonna be taking some roads after that, so we'll be out on the highway right to Wheatley. So just making our way. Everything's going really good. The temperature's actually fantastic. Couldn't ask for anything more. So anybody looking to do a good ride that's in the Windsor area, highly recommend the ride out to Wheatley. It's going to be just under 90 kilometers round trip, so if that's in your wheelhouse, I suggest checking it out. I just like to get some of these goofy shots. All right, Bob and I are just about to jump on the highway, heading into Leamington, so making good progress. Us old guys got to take it a little slower though, you know, some of those cramping issues we have. But that's just part of the game, right? So heading on the highway, so wish us luck. Yeah. Leamington, Ontario, guys. Let's pull in here. I want to find out where we have to turn to go to that grocery store. All right, we're just in Leamington here, and we're just going to shoot up to this grocery store and get some stuff for dinner and breakfast, and then it's not too long to the Wheatley Provincial Park. All right, so we have 15K to get into Wheatley Provincial Park. We are just in Leamington. We stopped at the Canadian Superstore to stock up for tonight and tomorrow, and it's going to be a short jaunt to the park. Now. I'm kind of chilly. What's that? Yeah. Yeah.
That was my warm-up as opposed to.
Yeah, I played tennis for years too. I took lessons. We have arrived. How you feeling, Bob?
Oh, We're
Yeah.
not arrived. We got to find that campsite, Dean.
The last 15K was hellacious, coming into the wind, you know, to finish it out on the highway, so it made it a bit easier, but we're both anxious to get to camp, so that's what we're gonna do. We have arrived at our campsite, Site 17, Wheatley Provincial Park. We're just gonna set up our tents. My buddy Ron is camped over that way. He's riding back with a friend, so we'll meet up with him later, sit around the fire, do all that stuff. So it's time to get camp set up and do all that good stuff. Good morning, everyone. So I don't know what happened, but last night I didn't do any of my YouTubing stuff. I sat down at the campfire with intentions of getting some video, introducing you to the guys that we met up with and all that stuff, but next thing you know, I was going to bed and I forgot to do all that stuff. So like I said, it's Sunday morning. Camp's already torn down. We're getting ready to head out. Bob and I are riding back in Ron's truck to go home. There's a good chance of rain, and we had a good ride yesterday. Feeling a little beat up, so we're just going to take the ride. You don't always get that luxury. So anyways, really good ride out. Things went well for Bob. It was his first long ride with a full load on his bike, and things went pretty good. I was really impressed with how well he did yesterday too, to be honest with you. The last 15-20K, the winds were pretty demoralizing at times. So yeah, great job, Bob. Really proud of you, and it was a very enjoyable ride. So anyways, I'm gonna probably sign out now and get ready to get going home. But yeah, it was a really great ride. I'm looking forward to doing the Niagara tour with the guys, and it should go really well based on my experience riding with Bob today. So yeah, that's the story. I'm gonna probably sign out now. I'm just heading over to the bathroom here. This is the bathroom facilities in the park. Wheatley's a pretty nice park. It is close to a large population, so it is what it is. You will get some noisy people. I had to go tell some people to be quiet last night, but you gotta be ready for that. And if you can't handle that, then you probably shouldn't go to a provincial park. But so yeah, I'm gonna sign out now then. But great ride, like I said, and looking forward to the Niagara tour, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, so I was a rookie last night and I didn't do any of my YouTube stuff. So I'm just here at Ron's camp. So I got Ron, Pete, and you already know Bob. So yeah, we sat around last night, had a fire. Ron rode about 600 kilometers. So yeah, he had a good day. But yeah, it was great hanging out with all these guys. It's a change of pace for me because I'm usually flying solo. So yeah, this is the guys. Say hi, guys.
Hello. Hey, everyone. Hey, everyone.
All right.
Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really apologize for the awkward ending, but the only thing I can think is that I'm just so used to flying solo that I was just thrown off track by having company. So again, I really apologize for the awkward ending. It doesn't usually happen, so please accept my apologies, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, everyone. Cheers.